This is the real Tom Rose. And this question is a great opportunity to practice translating prose dealing with percents into algebraic equations. So we're given 0.06% of k is 6. And I like to translate these using a code that I use where numbers become themselves. Percent is always divided by 100. Of is multiply. Variable names become themselves. Is, or is equal to, becomes an equal sign. And the number 6 becomes itself. And let's translate again. What is 6% of k? Well, what will become a variable, or let's put a question mark, is 6%. 6 becomes itself, percent divide by 100, of is multiply, and k is itself. It's a variable. Now, one of the key traps in this problem is the presence of decimals, small decimals, as a percent. So 0.06%, it's very easy for people to confuse this and just write 0.06. If you follow my system, you'll always end up with the right numbers. Now here we can solve for k, plug it in, and get the answer. So this becomes we've converted this into a plug and chug problem. And so let's solve this guy. We'll multiply both sides by 100. And we're going to get 0.06k equals 600. Let's divide both sides by 0.06. And how many times does 0.06 go into 600? 6 goes into 600 10,000 times. Sorry, 6 goes into 600 100 times. So 0.06 will go in 10,000 times. If you're not sure how to calculate that, go ahead and put it in your calculator. I'll type it in just to be sure. Yeah, 10,000. And now let's plug that in to k to see what our question mark equals. So we have 6 over 100 times 10,000. And we can cancel out the 100 and 2 of the zeros on that 10,000. So we end up with 6 times 100, which is equal to 600, which is answer choice C.